Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can calibrate your pressure advance with Orca slicer. Now of course before you do this you want to make sure that you already calibrated your flow rate and your temperature. You can just go ahead and use or watch my other YouTube videos in order to calibrate those settings. From there, let's then navigate through the calibration option. From here, click on the pressure advance, and basically you have the direct extrusion right here. You can select your extruder type and the methods. Now I find the PA pattern will provide us with the best results, but of course if you want to, you could try other methods right here. Now with the default setting, this goes well with other printers out there. So in my case, I'll just click on the OK button. But of course, if you know more about your printer, you can edit this accordingly. Let's click on the OK button once more. And from there, it will then present you with a small square right here that you can basically move around. So let's click on the slice plate option, and basically it will show up like this. Now basically with the pressure advance, it is a 3D printer firmware feature that compensates for filament pressure changes within the nozzle during printing by adjusting the extruder pressure in real time. Basically, it prevents blobs, oozing, and thin, weak lines, particularly during high-speed printing. And in turn, it ensures consistent, precise extrusion. Now, how it works. Basically, it manages the pressure difference between the extruder and the hot end, and it pushes extra filament during acceleration and retracts slightly during deceleration, solving the often delayed flow of material from the nozzle. And so guys, you could just go ahead and print this to see your pressure advance calibration test, and that's it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.